When deciding to purchase a birdhouse, you will probably have an idea in mind of where you would like to put it, so you can see the hive of activity for yourself. But if you want to make sure birds will nest, we have a few helpful tips on where is best to put it. It is best to keep your birdhouse out of direct sunlight. This will prevent the birdhouse and its occupants from overheating, as it is already full of warm nesting material. Windier spots can also be off-putting, as understandably, nesting mothers prefer to have as much peace as possible. With this in mind, try to put your birdhouse in a north or east facing setting. Birds often prefer to not have an obstacle course in their way as they try to get home. A clear flight path is much appreciated, so consider this when choosing your birdhouse location. Different bird species have different nesting habits, so if you have some in mind that you would like to attract to your garden, you'll need to factor this in. The height of your nest box will depend on the nest box you've chosen, as different sized hole entrances will only suit certain birds. For example, a 26 to 28 mm entrance is perfect for smaller birds such as tits and sparrows. A slightly larger entrance of 32 mm will be ideal for most other native birds. For these nesters, you should locate their nesting box 2 to 4 meters above the ground. An open-ended nest box for robins shouldn't be placed any higher than 2 meters. Birds naturally nest in trees. After all, it keeps them safe from predators, has plenty of twigs and moss to make a cosy nest, and generally offers a quiet place to raise their young. If you are lucky enough to have trees, foliage or bushes in your garden, you should try to position your nest box in these areas. This will offer your garden visitors the familiarity they are used to, and may increase the chances of them choosing your birdhouse as their nesting spot. We know how lovely it is to have birds visiting your garden, and it may be tempting to add more than one nest box. But it is important to give nesters their peace and quiet too, so try not to put bird homes close together. To find out how to clean your birdhouse and more ways to attract birds to your garden, check out our other videos. Bird kind. Nurture our nature.